All right, so this is the website prototype project, and what I want to do is show you a student work because I want to show you how approachable it is and how simple it can be, even though I know it's kind of sounds complicated to some of you, because you're doing it all in one layer, and I'm showing you how, all in one file. It's one PSD file that we've delivered to you, and in your Moodle, and it's got the grid in it, which just helps you with a measurement and laying out so that you can put things on, let's say, column 3, or you can put things on column 6, so from page to page. So when you're working from page to page, the grid will give you some consistency for layout. That's all that's there for. You don't have to use those pink lines in your project at all. So to start out, I want to show you how she organized hers. And this is how I'd like you to organize yours too, are the common elements, which are on every page. She put, into a folder, which we'll do later on. But so she's got a green border, navigation across the top, simple navigation, the logo in the middle, and contact information. Very important to have contact information, the phone number, the hours. And then she just tucked her little social media down here in the corner, very small. That's all you need to do. Okay. Then the home page. Okay. So she's using a gray with her green, and she's just set the caption, Neighborhood Bakery in Dearborn, Michigan. As you can see, she used placeholder text for the copy, which is what we've discussed last class. And very simple layout, but very nice and very user-friendly. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the home page and turn on the about page, leaving the common elements on. Okay, so here's the about page. You got another photo, and you'll notice all her photos kind of work together with a similar palette, and it works with her chosen colors. Okay, so once again, all she has is the graphic, the display font, which is About Us. And then she put placeholder type in there. The contact information stayed, the navigation and the logo stayed, and the social media stayed. Okay. And then lastly, we have the menu page. Okay. So nice photos again that work with her other chosen photos. She actually typed out, she didn't use placeholder copy here. She typed out the menu. She kept all of her headings consistent, which is something you guys should do. Make sure it's consistent from page to page, because you want continuity for the user. Okay, you don't want to look like Ling's page. So if you remember the bad website we reviewed. Okay, so that's basically it. So you turn on and off the layers as you do them, and we're going to, and I'll show you how to do this a little later on. We're going to organize the layers that you create for each page into groups. Okay, that's just a simple folder that these things go into. But I would recommend working first. But while you're working, put the word home in front of all the elements that are on your home page. Okay, so you see home, home bakery, image, home body, home, home. That's why it's easy to organize them when we get to putting them into folders. About. So you see all that in the correct folder. Menu. Okay. So basically, that is how you create 3 pages in one file. You're basically going to work on the file. And then once you get your home page done, you're going to turn off the visibility with the eyeball and then proceed on to your next page, whatever that may be. All right. So thank you. We'll talk about questions in class. Thanks.